Being a pilot doesn't mean that you just show up in airport and fly. You have to prepare your flight and planning even before you leave home. In this video, I'm going to talk about my top 5 free apps and service that I use for my briefing. They help me to make faster briefing and preparation workflow. The first one is Windy. I like Windy because they have a really clean, beautiful user interface, and you can use it for a couple of information. For example, wind, thunderstorm, rain, ceiling, pressure, and even thermal. This service and app helps you to get a bigger picture way ahead of your schedule. Then you prepare your aircraft and your flight. But keep in mind, according to the law, if you're planning for your weather briefing, you have to use one official sources. For example, if you live in Germany, you have to use DWD, or in UK, Met Office. I use Windy as a secondary resource that I use it for cross-check the official weather report. Number 2 is Google Map and Google Earth. When you're flying as a private pilot under VFR, that means Visual Flight Rule, you have to have visual references. And when you're flying in a neighbor area that you've flown to, you know the area, you know the visual references. But when you're flying in an unknown area, an unknown airport, you need to find the visual references like landmarks, road, forest, and some kind of information like that. Google Map and Google Earth gives you visual references and helps you to find yourself familiar to that area. This is a simple way that reduces the surprises that when you are flying to that area. Number 3 is Number. If you're a Mac user, an Apple user, you know the number. I use it for my mass and balance and load calculation. It's simple, clean, and you can make your own sheet that helps you to reduce the stress of the flight map. But again, be careful. You have to know your math. You have to know how to calculate. Number 4, SkyVector.com. One of my favorite free flight planning website is SkyVector.com. It helps you with en-route planning, fuel planning, and so much more. It gives you the charts that you can fly, especially when you're in United States. You can calculate your top of climb, top of descent, magnetic heading, true heading, and so much more. This website is completely for free. You can add your aircraft performance and use for fuel planning too. Last but not least, number 5, Jammer's flight computer. This is a digital flight computer that you can use it on your iPhone and tablet. You can calculate a lot of things, from wind component to top of descent, rate of climb, and much more. You can even use the default aircraft that's already in it, and so much more. For me, it's one of the tools that makes planning progress smooth and more efficient, especially when I want to quick answer during pre-flight preparation or even in-flight preparation. And as a bonus, if you want to know how they calculate it, you should know. But if you forget it, you can go down and read the description because it completely explains how you can do the calculation. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, push the notification bell to be informed that I uploaded a video. And if you know other tools that are free, write in a comment. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Adios, mis amigos.